Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing good today. So I hope you have enjoyed the previous 4 lesson plans, and now today we are going to uh, discuss the practice question, and the questions are in the questions which are in note workbook, right? So then I would like to tell you few important things. So as of now we are giving answers, sample answer in the slides, but in the coming days we will not give you the sample answer, right? So you have to prepare your mind for that, and please do not copy the same answer which is written in the slides, because sometimes we never write the full answer. We just write the key points and we explain the full answer, right? So I have seen when I was checking your notebook, many of you have just copied even only the keywords. You have not written the full answer. So it is not good, right? So please prepare your mind. In the coming days, we are not going to give you the sample answer. And please use your brain to write the answer in your word. Okay? So this is the discussion videos of grade 3, social studies, block 10, neighborhood and school. Please keep ready your resources such as your content book, workbook, volume 2, notebook, pencil and eraser. This is our practice question 1 to 8. Question number 1 and 2 is here. So question number 1 is filling the blanks, and question number 2 is what is our neighborhood? Answer. So in the answer A there will be neighborhood, answer B there will be school, answer C there will be doctor, answer D there will be school. So these are the words you need to fill it. Answer 2. A neighborhood is the area around the place where we live. The people who live around our home are a part of our neighborhood, right? Question number 3, 4 and 5. Who are the people who live and work in and around your home or neighborhood? Which are the important places in a neighborhood? Answer 4 to 5 sentences. And who are some important people in a neighborhood? How do they help us? Right. Let's see here. Answer 3. Some people living and working in and around our neighborhood are the policeman, shopkeeper, gardener, cobbler, cleaner, doctor, electrician, teacher. Answer 4. Most neighborhoods have hospital, grocery store, playground, post office and a police station. Answer 5. Some important people from our neighborhood are the policeman, postman, teacher and doctor. The policeman protects us from many dangers. Postman delivers letters. The teacher helps students learn in schools. The doctor treats people who are sick. Now, question 6, 7 and 8. What are the different places in your school? What do you do there? Is it important to come to school? Why? You have to give reason. 8. Explain what would happen if there were no doctors, teachers, postmen or policemen. Right? So let us look at the answer. Question number 6. There are different places in a school meant for different purpose. Look at the places. Places in a school such as library, playground, classroom, and some schools have canteen, but in our school we don't have canteen. And we have a bookshop. Art room is there. There's no particular art room. We learn the art and craft in our classroom also, right? So in library we read different books. In playground we play various types of sports game. In classroom we learn different subjects. Canteen we buy snacks, and from bookshop we buy our books and notebooks. In art room it is for the mainly for the drawing and learning different types of art. Like, answer 7. We have different places in our doing, different places in school doing different things. Let us see what are the different things. So these are the different things: to learn different subjects, to learn good manners, to learn discipline, and we learn to share our things with others, and to learn to complete our work on time, and taking care of our things, right, and waiting for our turn in queue. These are the various things that we learn in our school. Do we learn or not? Yes, we learn. Answer 8. If there were no teachers, then there will be no one to help us about new things, subjects, good manners, and if there were no doctors, then there will be no one to treat us when we are sick. So if there were no postman, then we will not get letters or any other mail at our homes. Without a policeman, robbers would harm people and we would not be safe. So these people are very important for part of our neighborhood and schools. Understand? So let us see next. Now, so workbook S1, my neighborhood. You have the first question is you have to look at the picture. Answer it. The first man is a milkman and second one is a doctor. See here, milkman and doctor. Answer 3. A milkman will need a cobbler to mend his shoes. Cobbler will also need the milkman to get milk. So both are dependent on each other. Okay. So in the community or in the neighborhood, we depend on each other for different needs. Like we depend on milkman to get the milk. Milkmen also depend on many people, right? As it is an example here, milkman is depend on cobbler. For what purpose? To mend his shoes or slippers. Cobbler is also depend on milk. Will also need milk to get from the milkman. Answer number 2. Look at here. Important people in the neighborhood. So these are the important people: doctor, teacher, postman, policeman, milkman, cleaner. And how they help us? So doctor treats people when they fall sick. Teacher help us to study and learn about new things. Postman deliver letters to our homes. Policeman keeps us safe from many dangers, right? Like robbers, thieves, etc. And milkman is the one who delivers milk to our homes. Do you get milk from the milkman? Right, everybody gets milk, even I too. Cleaner cleans our surroundings. Okay, so if he will not clean, everything will look mess and dirty. Is it? Yes. So these are the people who help us in our neighborhood. Let's move. S2. First one is the filling the blanks, and second one is name some other places that exist in your neighborhood. How do they help us? And third, between a park and a police station, which is more important for a neighborhood and why? Let's see here. Answer 1 is hospital. A will be hospital, B will be post office, C will be school, and D will be market. Answer 3. We need a park in our neighborhood as we can play and exercise there. However, it is more important to have a police station in a neighborhood as it is necessary to keep us safe from dangers, right? So we can play inside our home also, but without the police station we cannot be safe. So police is necessary. Okay, next. Answer 2. Important places and how these places help us. So important places in our neighborhood is bank, park, petrol pump, ration car shops, chemist. On bank, we can keep our money safely in a bank. We can take out the money when we need it. And park, we can play games and exercise in the park. Petrol pump, here we can here we can fill petrol or fuel in our cars and other vehicles such as bikes, truck, etc. Ration shops, we can buy primary food items such as wheat flour, pulses and rice from here. And about chemist, we can buy medicines from here, chemist shop. Okay. So these are the important places and the way they help us. S3, people in the neighborhood. Let us see. People in the neighborhood. First picture is a teacher. Teacher help us to learn various subjects or different things. It give us knowledge also. What if they were not there? So without teachers we will have to learn on our own and it will be very difficult. Policemen, so they keep us safe from many dangers. Without policemen we will not be safe. Third picture is milkman. Milkman delivers milk to our homes. Without milkman there will be no one to deliver milk to our homes. And the fourth one is a sweeper. Yes, so sweeper sweeps and keeps the roads clean. Without sweepers the roads will be dirty and unclean, right? So these are the very important people which help us in various ways. Next. The importance of a school. First one is the filling the blanks. Second one also is you have to fill. Third one is what will you miss and most if there were no schools. Right. Let's see. Answer 1. A will be F, B will be F. Look at here. A will be F means false, B will be F means false. Answer 3. I would miss my friends and school playground the most. Your answer may be a different answer. So it depends upon what we like to miss. Okay, someone missed their teachers, someone missed the principal ma'am, someone missed their friends, and someone missed the playground where they played. So it's a different things that you miss in your school. Okay, so I gave you a sample answer. I would miss my friends and school playground the most. Okay, for me, I will miss my children. Okay, when I will leave my school, I will miss my children, my students, and as well as my colleagues, means the another teachers. Okay, answer 2. Reasons for coming to school. What are the different reasons we come to school? So first, to make new friends. We come to school to make new friends. And we also come to draw and paint, means for drawing. And there's another reason to come to school. We come to school to study different subjects, right? Different subjects. Next, we come to school to learn good manners and values, right? And we also come to school to learn to write properly. And lastly, we come to school to learn to speak properly. Okay, so these are the few things which I have mentioned here, and there are many other things also which is not mentioned here. Okay, So remember the few points why we come to school or the reason for coming to school. Okay, so this block is completed, almost over. So what you have to do, you have to prepare for block assessment for block 10, which will be conducted on 28/7/2021, means 28 July. It is on Wednesday. Okay, so there will be a block test, a block assessment on Wednesday for block 10. Okay, students, take care. Thank you so much. Right, and prepare well. God bless you.